Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng egg drop soup using leftover chicken from Andoks. In a hot pot, I'm just gonna add some olive oil. Then we're gonna saute some onion. Two cloves of minced garlic. And syempre, some diced tomatoes. Gisa lang natin ng konti until lumambot ang ating kamatis. Next thing we're gonna add is our leftover chicken. This is one leg part and one breast part if I'm not mistaken. So ginawa ko, hinimay ko lang siya na maliliit. Once nainitin yung chicken, we can now add 2 cups of water. So will be the base of our soup. You can also use chicken stock here para mas malasa. However, I don't have any on my pantry, so water would do just fine. Cover it up and bring to a boil. Once kumukulo na yung soup, we can now season it with some fish sauce and some ground black pepper. And then for a final step, drop in those beaten eggs. Haluin lang natin continuously para maging silky ang texture ng ating soup. And there you have it, leftover chicken egg drop soup. Hope you guys give it a try. Bye!